Welcome to Yoga Bliss Lovelies, and I'm Shelly. Grab a bolster or a pillow or a blanket and put it under your booty for this healing light meditation as a part 5 of our series for beginners. We're going to do a few seated postures to get our body and a little bit more focused. So join me with bringing that right hand to the earth. Left hand sweeps high over the head. Left arm reaches to the mat. Right arm sweeps. Alternate sweeping and pressing to the earth as you breathe the breath in. Exhale. Inhale, both arms reach high to the sky. Hands Namaste Mudra. Exhale, dive forward, open the wings, slice horizontally open. Exhale, arch forward. Inhale, back to center. A few robin's breaths here. Open the arms up wide, stretch through the shoulders, hands back to the center. Lovely. Exhale, dive forward, open, open. And then find your seat, wiggle, waggle in your hips. Remove the meaty part of the sit bones away from the booty, and a blanket is always lovely for a healing light meditation. And as you find your seat, allow your humanness and fidget, and allow yourself to find a seated position that feels good for you. Hands on the knees or hands on the belly and hands on the heart. Maybe one last little movement. And join me as you close your eyes, breathing in a breath that comes in from the top of your head. Exhaling, breathing that breath all the way down to the sit bones. Tapping into the body and allowing yourself permission that if you need to open up the jaw, get more wiggles out, rub the hands together, bringing your hands to the top of the head here. And just taking a moment to acknowledge what's happening inside of your head space and bringing the hands into front of the third eye, that space of intuition as you breathe in. Hands come in front of the throat, the space of communication, just checking in. How's it feeling? Hands move to the heart center, just taking a moment of acknowledgement, noticing what you notice as you move down underneath of the sternum, above the belly button. Exhale the hands down to the belly button, noticing the space of emotional health, and hands all the way down to the legs, or space of rooting and safety and trust. And just bringing your hands to a space that feels good for you once again, and allowing yourself permission to show up. If you would like, you can join me in a mudra, which is just a hand seal, and that can be as simple as bringing the thumbs to the pointer fingers. In this healing light meditation, allow yourself full permission to just show up exactly as you are, letting go of any expectations of where you need to be, what's happening after this, and truly show up with a big breath that radiates from the top of your head. Exhaling down. And in the eye of your mind, imagine a beautiful light shining, a healing light that radiates down from the top of your head. And if imagining something in this moment is something that isn't coming to you, let go of your expectations. Bring your awareness back to breath. And imagine or paint a picture in the eye of your mind, a healing light shining and washing through the top of the head, allowing this healing light, this healing energy from the ethers to wash through the forehead, cleansing through the back of the eye sockets, allowing this healing light to cleanse and clear from the jaw and the ears and the tongue and mouth, allowing this healing light to shine like a pillar down through throat and shoulders and heart, washing healing light energy down through the heart center, radiating all the way down each vertebrae. And just noticing within the spine and the back of the physical body where it's feeling tense or tight, and maybe that radiates up through the neck or the jawline, allowing this healing light to cleanse and clear and wash through these tension and tight spaces as we breathe love in for ourselves. Exhaling love out. Allowing this healing light to cleanse and clear all the way through the abdomen and the belly. Allowing this healing light to wash through all of the organs, all of the blood flow within the belly and the heart center and the lungs. Allowing this healing energy through this healing light to wash all the way down through sit bones and hips. Allowing this healing light to shower through the legs, the bends of the knees and fronts of the knees. Allowing healing light to wash all the way through the feet, cleansing and clearing all the way through, allowing this healing light to send down into earth energy, and allowing yourself permission to just take a moment to feel the support and the love and compassion of the earth, imagining the dirt and rocks and soil and trees, imagining their roots and allowing those roots to descend down below you. Tapping into your body, and if it feels good, bringing a hand or both hands on spaces on your physical body where you are experiencing discomfort, bringing that healing light and that loving touch energy from yourself to these spaces. And here we hold space for pain and discomfort or stress. And allow yourself permission, if it feels good, to intuitively move to different places on your body. This is not a thinking thing, it's simply a feeling thing as you breathe that healing light into the body. Allowing your healing hands to be the touch of healing that you need. Holding space for what needs to be held. Here holding yourself in gratitude and love and compassion. And if it feels good, you can physically hold yourself and move your hands to different spaces that feels good, lovely light. Breathing that healing light in as you inhale, and allow that healing energy to come into the heart center, and bringing the hands to the heart with a beautiful breath of gratitude. And exhaling, allowing that healing light energy to just fill up your mind, your body, and your spirit as you hold space for what is, for the pain, or perhaps that emotional pain that you might be holding somewhere within you. Allowing yourself permission, my lovely, to begin coming back in your body. You can bring the hands to the knees and just join me in taking small little circles, half moon circles, just coming back into your body, back into the breath. You can start slowly by batting your eyelashes open and allowing yourself permission to come back here in this moment, rolling the shoulders up to the ears and coming down, inhaling the shoulders forward, exhaling back, just allowing yourself to come back from this meditation, just awakening the body side to side, wiggling out the shoulders, and taking a few spirals in the neck, tapping in, seeing what is happening in the neck now. Perhaps noticing any differences, spiraling in the opposite direction, just opening up the neck for a moment as you come back here into this moment. Inhale, hands reach high to the sky, twist to the right, inhale a big breath, and just notice how you feel. As you come back to center, twist the opposite way. Movement is the gateway to really allow us to tap into our emotions lovely. Raise both hands, palms kissing palms, float to your heart. Inhale, just sweeping up, moving some of that energy that you might have cleared. Inhale, raise, hands touch to the heart center, lovely. Just taking a moment to acknowledge all that healing light energy that still resides within you, and giving yourself gratitude for showing up. Namaste, my lovely lights. Thank you so much for practicing. I love you so much.